Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with your 5 off 25 deals. These can be done any day this week at Dollar General. We have a week-long 5 off 25 that expires on Friday, July 4th, but we have another one for July 5th. So these deals can be done any day this week at Dollar General. We have our cheat sheet, which is ready for you to print off for free as always. And as you can see, this is a pretty big cheat sheet because we do have P&G. So we do have a section on the cheat sheet, which is just for your P&G products. And we have made it so that when you are looking at the numbers here, it'll tell you how much is accounting towards your 5 off 25, already taking into consideration store coupons if there are any. And that will be linked in the description box below for you. So let's jump into household. For $16.45, you can get 2 Downy beads and the Airwick Mist starter kit. That would be $16.45. And as you can see, it'll tell you if it will activate your P&G promo and up to how much. For $15, you can get the Swiffer Power Mop. This next deal, you can get the Swiffer Wet Jet plus 2 of the Herbal Essence, and these are the trial/travel size. That would be $17, and it will activate your P&G up to the $30 threshold. This next deal for $15.80 is 2 Downy beads, a Tide with Downy, and the nail polish that you see there, which is the Sally Hansen. That will be $15.80. For $13.55, you can get the Dixie plates, the Angel soft toilet paper, Gain liquid, Tide pods, and the Snuggle softener for $13.55. On this deal here for $14, you're going to get your Snuggle, your Suavitel, 2 of the $10 Purex, and the $3.50 pack of Scott Comfort Plus, and that will be $14 out of pocket, and that's before tax. This next deal is $17.35. You're going to get your Bounty paper towels. That's a $21 pack. The Dawn Power Wash refill and some ZzzQuil for $17.35. This deal here is $16.30. You'll get your Gain Flings, Gain Sheets, Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper, and the Sally Hansen nail polish. And that Scott is the $3.50 size pack, and that will be $16.30. This next deal here is $15.30. You're going to get your Tide pods, the Tide liquid, and a BioFreeze patch. Now, the BioFreeze patch, there are 2 different UPCs from what I'm seeing, so scan them in store to make sure it is attaching. Otherwise, you can use the cheat sheet to find a filler item for that if you can't find the right one. For $18.50, this will activate your P&G. You're going to get your Tide, your Gain, both of those are the pods or the flings, the Downy beads, and you're also going to get your Gain sheets. That'll be $18.50, and it will activate the P&G up to the $30. $11.20, you're going to get 2 of the $10 Purex, 2 Irish Springs body wash, and a soft soap body wash. And that'll be $11.20. And the subtotals that you see are always after the instant savings is taken off. For $26.50, we're going to move into a baby deal. You're going to get 2 of the Pampers, the Dreft liquid, and the Always Z underwear, and that is a P&G activation deal as well. This is $26.50 that you're going to pay. You can get up to the $40 P&G back. For $20.45, you're going to get 2 Pampers and the Dreft detergent. Again, this is a P&G deal up to the $30 threshold or spend amount. This deal here is $12. You're going to get a pack of Loves, 2 packs of Huggies, and some Always liners. Now on the Always liners, not everybody got this coupon. So it's a $1.75 coupon, but the liner's only $1.25, so that's going to adjust down to the $1.25. For $11.05, you're going to get 2 of the Huggies and 3 of the Irish Springs body wash. And as you can see, we took out the instant savings for you. This next deal is $11. You're going to get 3 soft soap and 3 of the Old Spice body wash. This will activate your P&G up to the $15 limit. So that'll be $11, and then if you had that P&G clipped up to the $15, you would get that back as well. $9.20, you're going to get 2 Tresemme, 3 soft soap body wash, and 2 Degree spray deodorants for $9.20. For $8, you're going to get 3 of the Old Spice deodorants. Those are $4.50, plus 3 of the soft soap body wash. This will activate your P&G up to the $10 limit. For this one, you're going to pay $14.25. You're going to get 2 of the Olay face melt cleansers, the Olay lotion, and 3 soft soap body wash. That will be $14.25. And I know there's a lot of deals here. There's just so many good deals that we could do this week. For $12.25, you're going to get your Banana Boat After Sun, the Banana Boat Kids Sunblock Stick, the Bic razors, the Always Pocket Flex Foam, sorry, I'm getting tongue-tied, and the Gold Bond Powder for $12.25. For $13.95, you're going to get 2 Herbal Essence, the Bic razor, and the Flex Foam pads, and those are the pocket packs. For $13.95, that will activate P&G up to the $10 limit. For $11.50, you can get 2 of the Aussie shampoo, 3 of the soft soap body wash, and a $4 Band-Aid. It could be any one that's $4 that attaches to the coupon, and you will pay $11.50. On this next deal, you're going to get your Old Spice deodorant, 2 Old Spice body wash, and 2 of the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner mix and match, however you would please. This will activate P&G up to $15, and you will pay $9.50. You can get for $10.50 2 of the Axe deodorant, the Bic Flex 4 razor, and 2 Fructis shampoo conditioner, however you want to mix and match that, and that will be $10.50. As always, make sure you scan everything to make sure it's attaching to your coupons. This one is going to be $13. It will activate P&G. You're going to get 2 of the Herbal Essence, the Gillette razor, the Venus razor, the Ivory deodorant, and 2 of the Always pocket size pads. This will activate P&G, and make sure that you're scanning. That is the Herbal Essence trial size. Then for $15.95, we have the Tide Pods and 3 of the Always pads, and that will be $15.95. It will activate your P&G up to the $30 spend threshold. Now we're going to move into soda deals, and on the soda deals, there are 3 states that are not doing these deals. I've paused the sales, and that is Arizona, West Virginia, and Nebraska. But for $17.35, you're going to get 4 bags of chips, 3 of the Mountain Dew Baja Blast, and the Mountain Dew 24-pack. That will be $17.35. Now ring up the Mountain Dew first. This is what we're hearing. Ring up the Mountain Dew first. And if you're unsure, you can always add in $1, I think it's $1.25 or $1.95 Mountain Dew individual can. And I believe that's the Kickstart Mountain Dew. Now, I've seen it work without this. I've seen it work in any particular order, but I'm seeing more of ring the Mountain Dew first so that everything attaches. For $20, you can get 3 Dr. Pepper 12 packs plus 3 Pepsi 12 packs and 2 bags of Doritos. That would be $20. Again, make sure you're scanning to make sure everything is coming up. Ring all the like items together. Start with your sodas first. For $17.05, you're going to get 8 bags of potato chips, 3 12 packs of Pepsi, and the Always liners. Again, with the Always liners, it's $1.75 off coupon, but it will adjust down to $1.25 if you're at a new system. For $14.85, you can get 4 bags of potato chips, 3 of the Pepsi, the Kingsford Fluid there, and you can also add in the Eckrich sausage for $3.95, making it $14.85 out of pocket. For $15.15, you're going to get 4 bags of chips, the Colgate Max Fresh Charcoal, 2 Life cereal, and 3 12 packs of Pepsi, sorry about that, and it will be $15.15. Of course, if you have taxes and bottle deposit and things like that. So that's what we have for your 5 off 25s. I hope you enjoy these deals. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you like having a 5 off 25 during the week. Do you think Dollar General should do that more often? Make sure you give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe so you get notified when we put out new content. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Telegram, and rolloutsavings.com. Want to thank everyone for being here, and we appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have a great, happy, safe, fun 4th of July weekend, and we'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.